Print media. It's something we consume daily, something we often overlook. How does it get generated? Home and office applications. This, for instance, is a printer I've been using. It's been with me for about the past 15 years or so. It's a Brother HL2130 laser printer. Now it's old, but as the name Brother perhaps suggests, it's like a member of the family. It's indispensable, it's been trustworthy, it's something I can rely on. Then the question's been posed to me many times recently. You're seeing a lot of ink tank printers coming up, replacing the old toner cartridges. Cheaper, more affordable printing, something which I think Brother's always been big with. They've always offered affordability and reliability. So people have said to me, what do I use in my current day home office, our studios? What do we use for printing? And I thought it's an important question to address. So let's jump into the latest product unboxing, something which I'm excited for because it's something which I know I'll use daily in both home and office applications. Putting aside the trusty laser printer from Brother, which will still remain in use. This is 15 plus years and I still find it an incredibly reliable tool and incredibly well built. But let's jump into the latest printing technology, something which we're going to be using all the time, the Brother MFC T920 DW, an ink tank printer with an impressive array of features. We're talking up to 15,000 pages here on its black ink bottles, color ink bottles, and ultimately with duplex printing, with the multifunction support, built-in fax function, scanning function, dual-sided copying. You're talking about Wi-Fi built in, you name it, it's got it. I'm excited to jump inside and see what it offers. So let's open up, see what we have here. First thing you're greeted with there is, well, one of the black ink bottles, the D60BK, and here is, as this package specified, a second one. Great to see because, of course, black ink printing is probably our most common thing we do. Then you get included in the package here a USB to print cable. Included, you get your colors there. Here's your array of various color ink bottles. And, of course, you also get included in the package here your standard power cable, as well as this phone jack for using the built-in fax facility if required. Then we can unbox it here, incredibly well packed. The product is sitting straight sideways there in the packaging. So let's get it out, see what else we have here. We of course have some more packaging. We've got an instructional manual here. So with the product unboxed, let's put everything down here, get it plugged in, and then get it set up. See what it's like to set up and start using the Brother MFC T920 DW. Once you've opened the application, it's incredibly easy to find the printer you have in your network, set it up and start using it. That means print, copy, scan, fax, as well as your supplier and machine utilities straight from your smartphone. It offers an incredibly smart way to do things. You can of course also use fax, and you name it, it's got a full array of features here: photo, documents, cloud services, web page and email. Available at all different price points, simple to use, extremely affordable and economic, as well as, well, more environmentally friendly thanks to not constantly throwing out toner cartridges. The Refill Smart Ink Tank system from Brother is an incredibly useful way to do printing. The model lineup starts from, as I mentioned earlier, affordable price points, about 3,000 Rand here in South Africa for the T220, and even this, the top dog T920 DW with its duplex printing and higher page yield, as well as the multifunctional scanning and setup, still comes in at an affordable price point. Brother has always proven its reliability and its track record as I've been using them over the years, and I can certainly say I'm incredibly impressed with this one. So, with the Brother at my side, concluding this video is simple. Could I recommend using Brother? Well, over a decade of printing has said to me, absolutely yes I can. They make affordable, high-quality premium machines designed in Japan and, well, offering impressive home and office print solutions.